Pierogi Ruskie are Eastern European stuffed dumplings that are usually boiled. This potato and cheese-filled pierogi recipe I'm sharing today is a meatless kind popular in Poland. Here is a recipe for Pierogi Ruskie. Ingredients needed to prepare Pierogi Ruskie: 300 grams plain flour, 1 egg, 150 milliliters warm water, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 500 grams potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 onion, finely chopped, 200 g curd cheese, salt and pepper to taste, 100 grams unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. How to prepare Pierogi Ruskie. 1. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, egg, warm water, and salt until a dough forms. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. 2. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. 3. In a pot of boiling water, cook the potatoes until they are soft. Drain the water and mash the potatoes. 4. In a frying pan, saute the onion until it is soft and translucent. 5. In a bowl, mix together the mashed potatoes, sauteed onion, and curd cheese. Season with salt and pepper. 6. Roll out the dough on a floured surface until it is 1/8 inch thick. Cut out circles using a cookie cutter or a glass. 7. Place a spoonful of the potato filling in the center of each circle. Fold the circle in half and pinch the edges together to seal. 8. In a large pot of boiling salted water, cook the pierogi in batches for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they float to the surface. 9. In a frying pan, melt the butter with the vegetable oil. Add the cooked pierogi and fry until they are golden brown. Enjoy your homemade Pierogi Ruskie.